Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to look at a 2020 250 Solstice by Harris. This 250 Solstice has got a step-down platform in the back. Makes it easy to put on a surfboard or just lounge in the water. It's powered with a Mercury 4-stroke 150. Has a real nice large 4-step ladder, all stainless steel. Makes boarding in and out of the boat very easy. Has all the stainless gate and rails on the back so that you can sit in the back of the boat while the boat is underway. Has a backrest that you can flip forward or back, make a large sun pad in the back of the boat, or flip it the other direction and have a seat on the inside. Large captain's chair, armrest, reclining, swivels, has a digital throttle, Simrad GPS navigation on the screen, nice diamond stitching in the upholstery and the seating, speakers, cup rests up underneath the backrest, as well as cup rests in your armrests. Subwoofer, in-floor ski locker, has a little bar, the flip-up table, sink, storage area, more cup rests. All the cup rests are lit on this boat. This is in the white diamond pattern. If you'd like to see this boat or any others that we have, give us a call, 704-997-2168. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman.